Tyrannosaurus rex. The very name means tyrant lizard king. But was this tyrant merely a bumbling giant or a calculating killer? By getting inside the head of a T-Rex, we can find out the answer. An X-ray of an ancient fossilized brain case shows what a T-Rex's brain could have actually looked like. The scan reveals that areas of the brain associated with smell, the olfactory bulbs, were huge in proportion to the rest of T-Rex's brain. Comparing his wits to a distant relative, the alligator, the part of T-Rex's brain devoted solely to smell dwarfed that of his cousin. And if you think of alligators who are able to smell their food easily, the T-Rex could have possibly had a sense of smell more like a bloodhound who can track its prey over 100 miles away. Scientists also believe that T-Rex had killer eyesight, with enormous eye sockets the size of softballs and a narrow snout. T-Rex had an unobstructed line of sight. It's also thought that he could have had a type of stereoscopic vision similar to humans and predatory birds. Stereoscopic vision allows us to see depth, which could enable a predator like the T-Rex to see through camouflage on its prey. And finally, if you look inside T-Rex's skull, there are a series of large air chambers that connect to the middle eardrum. This network increased his sensitivity to low-frequency infrasonic waves, sound that's lower than the normal limit of human hearing. Larger animals, like elephants, produce infrasound waves that can travel over 100 miles through ground and are sensed by other herds. This infrasonic hearing ability could have allowed T-Rex to detect vibrations made by other dinosaurs, making it possible for him to echolocate his next meal. Tyrannosaurus rex was truly a triple threat, with killer sight, smell, and hearing. Not a 7-ton moron, but more likely a cunning and calculating bloodhound of the Cretaceous period.